Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the amazing ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. This incredible piece of technology is a game changer when it comes to recording your driving experiences. First of all, let's talk about the 4K Ultra HD recording capability. With a resolution of 2160p, the video quality is absolutely stunning. The clarity and detail you get from this dash cam is unmatched by any other on the market. And with the revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, you can rest assured that your footage will be clear and crisp, even in low light conditions. But that's not all. The ROVE R2-4K also features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to view and manage your recordings instantly on your iOS or Android device. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone at lightning-fast speeds and easily share them on social media. And let's not forget about the built-in GPS, which accurately records your driving location and speed. Plus, with features like parking mode, motion detection, and a 150 wide-angle lens, this dash cam has everything you need to stay safe on the road. Not to mention, ROVE is a 100% USA Chicago-based customer-centric company, and this dash cam is backed by a full 1-year warranty. So you can trust that you're getting a high-quality product from a company that truly cares about its customers. So, if you want to take your driving experience to the next level, make sure to check out the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations.